Hi again. Now it's time to start with this piece. So let's select it, hit slash to isolate it, and let's maximize this window. Control space to make it big. And let's see what we have. Maybe I need just to go back to see. We have subdivision. Hit Y to see what we got here. Okay. Cool. Apply the subdivision. Maximize this again. Tap to edit. Grab this edge. Q mark seam. Grab this mark seam. And this one right here. Mark seam. And where should we add a seam? Maybe right here. Yeah, maybe. Mark seam here to open this. And this one should be open too. Maybe from here. Mark seam. And what else we can do? This maybe. Let's deselect these parts. And this right here. And mark seam. And there we go. Let's go back, hit A, select everything, and here hit U to unwrap, and it is unwrapped. And let's change this to angle paste. I think that will give us a better unwrapping. And let's add the checker and go to preview. And cool, very nice. Very nice. Hit slash, select something else like this one. Isolate it, go to solid, apply the bevel, tab, grab this seam here, and this one maybe seam. Yeah, that's cool, that's fast. Grab an edge, this and this seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and it is unwrapped. That's cool. Let's give it checker, go to preview to see. Yeah, it's very nice. Hit slash, let's grab this, Control A, apply the scale, and we got problem with the normal. Hit tab to edit mode, hit A, shift N to recalculate the normal and apply the bevel. And tab to edit mode, alt click this, alt shift click this, and mark seam. The same thing here, alt mark seam, alt click mark seam, and this one mark seam, A, and here hit U to unwrap everything, and it's unwrapped perfectly. Let's hit the slash, let's grab this, isolate it, apply the scale, apply the bevel, tab, and alt mark seam, alt click here, mark seam, the same thing here, and there, mark seam, and this one, sorry, and this one, mark seam. So you got the idea. And this one, mark seam, hit A, A, select everything, and here hit U, and it is unwrapped. Hit slash, grab this, Control A, apply the scale, and what we need to do here, apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, grab this one, mark seam, alt click here, mark seam, the same thing here, mark seam, and this one as well, and this, and then hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and there we go. Let's hit slash, let's add this checker, go to preview, grab this, alt shift grab this, Control L, link the material to give them the same material. Let's grab this one and hit slash to isolate it, tap to edit mode, or sorry, you can apply the bevel, apply the scale, tap to edit mode, and let's grab this entire edge loop, mark seam here, and the same thing here, mark seam, and let's select maybe the side from here all the way down to here with holding Control, mark seam, and I think that's it. Tap, hit A, everything select, hit U here, and it's unwrapped. And let's give it the checker. Let's grab this, slash, tap to edit, apply, sorry, the bevel before that. Maybe I can apply the scale, grab this, mark seam, and here as well, mark seam, and here hit A, and here hit U, and there we go. Cool. Let's grab this, hit slash, Control A, apply the scale, apply the bevel, tap to edit, mark seam here and mark seam here as well, and grab one of these edges, and this one, mark seam, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and now it's unwrapped. Let's give it a checker, and maybe I need to start with this one, isolate it, Control A, apply the scale, apply the bevel, tap, alt click here, alt shift click here, and mark seam here, mark seam here, grab these, mark seam A, and here hit U to unwrap, and it is unwrapped. Give it checker, slash, grab this, isolate it, apply the bevel, apply the scale, tap to edit, grab this, mark seam, and this one as well, mark seam, and this mark seam, and mark seam here. I think everything now it's ready. Hit A, and here hit U. It is done. Hit slash, grab this, the final piece here, Control A, apply the scale, tap to edit mode, hit A, shift N to recalculate the normal, and apply the bevel, tap to edit mode, grab this, mark seam here, mark seam, and this as well, mark seam, and here hit U, and done. So now let's grab this. Oh my god, tap to edit mode, grab this entire edge loop, mark seam, and here mark seam, this one right here, mark seam, hit A here, hit U to unwrap it, and it is unwrapped. What about this piece? Isolate it, apply the bevel, apply the scale, tap to edit mode, and let's see where should we add a seam. Let's separate these upper faces, sorry, just like that. From this side, the same technique, grab these and this and this, alt shift click, mark seam, and here mark seam, and here mark seam here, mark seam, and maybe here I need to add the seam, and here as well, and for this side from here, and here the same thing, mark seam, sorry, yeah, that's cool. And what about this piece right here? Let's grab this and this, mark seam, and this one right here goes here to this edge, grab this, mark seam. Alright, the same thing for this side. Let's start with this one, alt click, alt shift click here, the same thing right here, and here as well, and here, and mark seam, and hit A, and here hit U to see the result. Let's see what we got so far. Actually, well, maybe I need to add a seam right here. How about that? Yeah, maybe I need to add a seam right here for this piece and this piece, mark seam. The same thing for this side. Let's do the same, mark seam, and let's hit U again, and I think now it's better. Well, I got something interesting here, like a mask. It's like and I have an eye right here. Sorry. And here eye and smile face. Ha ha ha. Anyway. Alright, so we just unwrap this piece. Let's hit tab to object mode, and let's add checker and go to preview, and let's see the results. Yeah, we got some distortion right here. Actually, we need to fix this. Let's see how to fix this distortion and why it's happened. Actually, why that's happened. Maybe I need to add some seam right here. Well, this one should be separated actually. Let's add seam right here in this area, and let's see what is the effect if we do that. Hit A and here hit U again. Go to preview. Alright, what we can do is grab these edges here, mark seam, and for this side the same thing as well, mark seam here and here as well. And where should we add a seam? Maybe right here. Alt click here, A and here hit U again, and go to material preview. Let's change this to conformal, and yeah, conformal is better for this kind of situation. Alright, now I will accept this result. We got too much seams here, but don't worry about that. Hit slash, and let's grab these and Control L, link the material, and there we go. Well, now let's grab this piece right here, isolate it, tap to edit mode, let's select this face, or let's apply the weight normal and go to solid, and maybe I need to, yeah, let's tap to edit mode, hit I for inset. Let's inset this a bit. Well, we can do that. What we can do here is, let's grab this edge at the corner, and this one right here, the same thing for this, and this one as well, this one right here, and this one, and mark seam and mark the base at seam 2, and let's switch to edge, grab these edges, key twice, and let's slide them up, key twice, slide this one up, and grab this, alt shift to grab this one, key twice, and slide this up, just like that. Alright, now hit tab, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and it tells you there is a problem with the scale. As you see, the result is not correct. Control A, apply the scale, and now tab, hit A, and here hit U to unwrap it, and as you see, it's unwrapped perfectly. Hit tab and slash, and let's grab this piece right here, and let's isolate it, tab to edit mode, and now what we can do is select this entire edge loop and Control B, let's give it bevel manually, just like that. Well, not 3, 2 segments, that will work actually, and yeah, just like that. And now let's grab the corners, and this one as well, and this one right here, and this one, Q mark seam, and this one, Q mark seam, and hit A, and here hit U. And as you see, the same problem with the scale. Control A, apply the scale, and now unwrap this again, hit U here, and yeah, it's corrected. Let's slash, and let's grab this piece, isolate it, tap to edit, grab this, alt click G twice, slide this up. We don't need all of these extrusion. Apply the bevel, tap to edit, select this entire edge loop and target the corner of this piece. Sorry, this one, alt shift here, alt shift click here and mark seam, and the same thing for this one, mark seam. Or maybe let's see, yeah, I'm going to leave the other pieces, hit A and here hit U. It should be unwrapped perfectly. Alright, I think we got the problem with the shading. No, there is no problem. Alright, slash, need to select this, isolate it, tap to edit, alt click here, G twice, slide this up, apply the bevel, tap to edit, grab this edge, add seam, and add seam here at the corners and here as well. The same thing here. For this one, cool. And yeah, A and here U, it's unwrapped. Slash, grab this, isolate it, apply the bevel, tap, grab this, G twice, and now grab this entire edge loop and then grab those right here. This one, this one, this one, mark seam, and A and here hit U to unwrap, and it's unwrapped. I think this is the final piece right here. Apply the bevel, tap, alt click G twice, slide this up and grab this entire edge loop, add seam, and here add seam here. Grab all of these edges and give them a seam. A and here hit U to unwrap. There we go, it's slash. So we just finished from this one. For this piece I think I need to add weight normal, and yeah, that's right, and apply it. Now it's perfect. Grab this one, isolate it, and tap to edit mode, and maybe I can yeah, let's apply the bevel first. Tap to edit mode, switch to face, grab all of these faces, hit 3 and hit I for inset, and let's inset this a bit. Hit I again, right about here maybe, and XF to delete these inner faces because I don't want them. And let's grab these edges, add seam here, add seam here, and let's add seam from the inside. And when you complete, hit A, select everything, and here hit U to unwrap them. And let's see the unwrapping, what we got here in this area. Well, maybe I can add seam here too, and for the same thing for this side. Alright, so A and here hit U again. Now it's better. Cool. Hit slash, let's grab this, isolate it, tab, grab these edges, G twice, slide them right here, apply the bevel, and tab, and let's grab this entire edge loop, add seam here, and grab these. Alt shift click here, and here as well, and mark seam, hit A and here hit U, it's unwrapped, slash, the same thing for this side, grab this, apply the bevel, hit slash and isolate it, tab, grab these edges, G twice, slide them right here, and mark seam here, here, and here, grab these, this one as well, and mark seam, A and here hit U, and don't worry about the scale. And we have this is the last piece. It's slash, apply the bevel, tab. Actually we don't have shade smooth. Yeah, what we got here, let's add weight normal. What's going on here? I don't know. Let's see clear custom. Let's have auto smooth, and now let's add weight normal. Yeah, now it's perfect. Cool. Now after that, tap to edit mode. Let's grab this edge and bevel it, Control B, just like that. Apply the weight normal. Tap to edit mode, and let's select this edge. Select this edge. Mark seam for this one. The same thing for this side. Mark seam. Mark seam here. Mark seam. Hit A and here hit U to unwrap, and there we go. We can now say we are finished. Let's grab all of these, hold shift to grab any geometry with the material and then link them, Control L, link the material. And everything here is square and nice, as you see here. So yeah, we just completed this. Oh my god, how much time it takes. Oops, I just forget these things that I need to unwrap them. Oh my god, I should unwrap these. Now the time of the video is become 21. I don't know. What should I do? Alright, so I'm going to unwrap this in the next tutorial. I don't want this video to be long. See you next.